अमलवी नमस्कारम, गुड इव्हनिंग. नमस्कार. 2 महिन्यांनी आमचा लाईव्ह आलाय आणि जरा स्पेशल आहे. डिस्प्ले पण छान झालेला आहे. We have new products this time and we have kept it really short. This time's live session. Yeah. So thank you, Shweta, for reminding me. So, yes. So coming to that, we have special things going on every month at our place. Hope you all are doing well and we are doing good. So we will have only 15 to 20 minutes to introduce in this live program. And as you see, we had launched last year in the month of May CTR shoes. However, this time we have initially got the new brand, which is Graysport. It's spelled as Grisport, and it's if you know, it's an Italian brand. It's made in Italy, and at the foot of the Dolomite Mountains. अगर आपको Dolomite पहाड़ पता है इटली की, तो आपको ये भी पता होगा कि ये जूते कितने स्पेशल है फिर वहां से बने हुए. And trust you me all, this is nearly 50-year-old brand. If you're using Google, go on the Google thing and check कि कितना साल पुराना ब्रांड है ये Graysport. It's Grisport. and जैसे कि हम सब कार्बन फुटप्रिंट और सारी चीजों के बारे में बोलते हैं, तो दिस ब्रांड operates 70% of the manufacturing, what do you call that, energy on solar power. So we are supporting in a way environment, but I'm just quoting it. I'm not saying that this is how it is done, but this is what the brand has been telling us, and this is what we have been saying it, and we have been promoting it. So it's one of the beautiful brands that you can go for. And the key features of these brands are that if you see, this is such a beautiful shoe. It has Vibram sole, which works on, which is one of the best class when it comes to rocky, wet or muddy terrain. तो Vibram का तो जो जूते आउटडोर वाले पहनते हैं, जिनको पता है कि Vibram का इम्पोर्टेंस क्या होता है, तो Vibram सोल होना बहुत जरूरी होता है. मेरे पर्सनली जो तीनों जूते हैं, they are Vibram sole, and I love walking in them in the mountains. I don't walk much nowadays in the mountains, but whenever I walk or whenever I'm comfortable wearing my mid ankle, low ankle or high ankle shoe, I do that, even if it is here. So this is something that you have to go for, and you have to I will say I vouch for it. That's what I'm going to do. Plus these are waterproof. Now we have got like 6 models in it, and currently we have displayed 3 models. All of them are waterproof. This is Gritex technology, if you see here. So Gritex में basically होता है कि waterproofing technology होती है against snow, rain and cold, and also inside insulation if you're wearing like good quality socks, which has a rating of -10 minimum. This will regain your body heat and not allow you to sweat more, not allow you to feel cold more because of that sweat. So this is the second model that we have. The support system, as in इसकी जो पूरी support system है, stitching हो, sole हो, अंदर का insulated layers हो, lace हो, या फिर इसका fabric हो, the entire support system is proprietary stability system. So if I have to say, on uneven terrains, it controls the foot movements. If you're going haywire on the routes and if you don't know how to control the body posture, this shoe will help you. Many a times people who have visited our store or have spoken to me or spoken to our team, they generally hear us, we get questions, क्या इसको अच्छी grip है? Does this have good grip? Is this an what do you call, grip वाला जूता है क्या ये मुझे grip देगा क्या? अरे भाई, आप जैसे चलोगे वैसे ये grip देगा ना आपको. So 95% is your posture and 5% is your footwear that is going to help you to make it more helpful and comfortable walking. You just need to break in the shoe. How long should I be using the shoe, or how many days before I need to buy the shoe? My personal recommendation, at least 30 days, minimum 30 days. You can go for 6 months. 6 महीने पहले अगर आप आपके हिमालयन ट्रैक्स प्लान करते हैं, जैसे कि केदारकांठा हो जो बहुत सारे फेमस ट्रैक्स में से एक है, वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स है जो सितंबर में है शुरू होता है, या फिर संदकफू है जो बहुत ही फेमस है। इससे पहले था जो रूपकुंड था जो 2017-18 में बंद हो गया अभी। एज फार एज आई नो इट इज नॉट येट स्टार्टेड, बट द ऑल द हिमालयन ट्रैक्स दैट यू नो that you can go for, I would recommend minimum 30 days that you can go for. And if you have to go for the local hikes in Maharashtra, I know is Sahyadri. Then in Sahyadri ranges you can go at many places, and our hills are tricky tracky. So if you want to walk really nice, enjoy your trek, and not slide your foot or not sprain your foot, then I would recommend you to go for Grace Sport. It's premium Italian leather quality that it has. अगर आप इसका टेक्सचर देखोगे तो इट्स वेरी नाइस एंड वेरी वेल फिनिश्ड। मेड इन इटली है तो और कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करना जरूरी है। सो इट्स अ वेरी प्रीमियम इटालियन लेदर विच इज वैक्स्ड सुएड, विच इज लाइट वेट। वैक्स सुएड जनरली जो होता है वो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग भी होता है, लेकिन इसको आपको इस्तेमाल भी करना पड़ता है एटलीस्ट वंस इन अ मंथ। Now, the other beautiful part of these shoes is that they have these padded collars and tongues. So, most of the times these are not padded. तो इसकी वजह से क्या होता है ना, ये जो होता है ये थोड़ा stiff होता है, मतलब hard होता है ये surface। तो ये surface hard होने से बहुत सारे लोग जब सिर्फ लेस ऐसे ही बांध देते हैं और ये बाहर रहता है, तो generally it hits, this part hits your what do you call, your shin bone, and then it hurts your feet. So then in this situation, having a padded tongue and the padded collars, because collars generally बहुत stiff होते हैं, कड़क होते हैं, वो hard होते हैं, तो उसकी वजह से बहुत बार hurt होता है और हमें लगता है कि हमारे घुटने क्यों दुख रहे हैं, shin क्यों दुख रहा है या heel क्यों दुख रही है। तो these are one of the reasons wherein the collar of the shoe is continuously poking your shin like this. And that's the reason it gives you an aching pain which is unbearable. So that is what I would suggest to go for. Who is it best for? If you're going for Himalayan treks, it is best. If you're going for mountain trails, it is best for them. It is also good for rocky trails. It is also good for all seasons. You can use this shoe in any season, any trek, except running, because this has hardened sole. वाइब्रम का सोल है, हार्डन सोल है इस मॉडल के लिए। अभी आप कहोगे कि वाइब्रम का सोल तो इसमें भी आता है, फुटवेयर्स में भी आता है, रनिंग में भी आता है, लेकिन नहीं, ये वाला जूता माउंटेन ट्रेल्स के लिए, हाइकिंग्स के लिए, माउंटेनियरिंग के लिए, ट्रैकिंग के लिए, हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड ट्रैकिंग प्रोग्राम्स के लिए, रॉकी टेरेंस के लिए है, रनिंग के लिए नहीं है ये। दैट इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स। व्हाट इज द साइज रेंज दैट वी हैव फॉर दीज शूज? जनरली द साइजेस दैट वी हैव our standard Indian sizing, I think we have 6 to 10. So it comes in size 6 to 10, and we have multiple SKUs in this. So if you want to have a look at the multiple SKUs, you can just have a look at our website www.stepinadventure.com. Plus अगर आप फॉरेन वाली कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पे लेके आओगे कि वाइड फिट है या नैरो फिट है, so these are all wide feet shoes, and if you need the exact size of the shoe, we would suggest that you DM us on 9890254988 for your foot length, for accurate size guidance. Pricing vary करता है, आपको वेबसाइट पे देखना पड़ेगा। So you can DM us, check stepinadventure.com, or you can DM us on 9890254988, or you can DM us on Instagram as well. If you have my numbers, you can just send it to me as well. Now, if you're asking about the discounts, no, this is a new arrival. We are not going to offer any discounts. If you want to buy this shoe, you have to buy it at full price, full length price, to be precise with you. Generally, metro cities में 3 से 5 दिन में हम deliver कर देंगे. बाकी सारे areas में 5 to 7 days, depending on the holidays there. Stocks, yes, due to the implications of government on importing footwears, this is a very limited stock. Many people till date come to us asking us for Loa, asking us for Salomon, and it is very heart-aching and heartbreaking to say no to them that we don't import it anymore. We don't have them anymore. कुछ बचा कुचा स्टॉक हो तो दे दीजिए, तो हम वो भी नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि हमारे पास स्टॉक ही नहीं बचा है. The option to it since last year we got a CTR, which is made in India product and good at pricing. But I would recommend that if you are a Salomon, Loa or a good quality brand user, I'm not saying that CTR is not a good quality brand, but if you're looking for a waterproof shoe, then I would recommend you to go for Grace Sport. The next thing that we have is we have a special offer. This is about the shoes. So guys, DM us your shoes inquiries and we will be happy to help you with the shoe sizing. We can send you the charts. The next one that we have is a Wildcraft tent, which we don't have here displayed. That is what I just realized because it's a big size tent. So it's a Shield Shack 2% tent, which is for 5,995, and it's one of the topmost India's outdoor camping product brand, जिनका टेंट बहुत अच्छा है. हमारे हिसाब से हम उनका टेंट खुद स्टोर में वेबसाइट पे जो रख रहे हैं और सेल कर रहे हैं. It's been like 8 years that we are selling and we still don't have negative feedbacks about that tent. So we have a stock of it that has just arrived, I think 10 days back. So we are giving it on discount. So I would recommend you, even if it is a 2% tent, it is 2+. So 3 people can आराम से सो सकते हैं, full size वाले लोग भी. 3 लोग आराम से सो सकते हैं. It has 3.5 feet of vestibule. It has a waterproof outer. It has 2000 mm waterproofing. So go for it. And only the 5% discount is off. There is a 5% off on this and the offer is live on our website. और कुछ आपको अगर इसके बारे में पूछना है तो आप हमें DM कीजिए. I'm just going to turn up the thing. It is, yes, one important thing is that it is not aluminium pole, it is fiberglass poles. But I have used that tent in 2021 for Mount Yunam and it worked very nice till 5,200 meters. हवा से वो टूटा नहीं है, अच्छा चला है और 6 दिन रह चुकी हूँ मैं उस टेंट में. So we were 4 people in a 2% tent. Just to avoid more of weight, we adjusted ourselves in that tent and we were 4 of us. मेरी साइज तो ठीक है लेकिन फुल साइज वाले 3 और लोग थे मेरे साथ माउंटेन क्लाइंबिंग के लिए, वो पीक के लिए, and we slept in that tent. So it is a good tent. 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक आप ये यूज कर सकते हैं. बट जनरली उसका ना आउटर का एक विनाइल विंडो है विच इज अ ट्रांसपेरेंट विंडो, जस्ट सो दैट इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू ओपन द आउटर फुल्ली यू कैन हैव लुक एट द वेदर आउटसाइड दैट विनाइल विंडो, सो दैट मे फ्रीज और क्रैक इफ टच्ड व्हेन इट इज फ्रोजन, बिकॉज वो विनाइल है तो उसका वही है, काम ही वही है. इट्स अ 3 सीजन टेंट. जनरली मैं ये बोलूंगी नहीं, इन सब 0 के नीचे वाले टेम्परेचर में ज्यादा यूज मत कीजिए. इसको चल जाता है 3-4 दिन के लिए, महीने के लिए नहीं चलेगा. सो अच्छी स्लीपिंग बैग रखिए टेंट में, -5 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक के स्लीपिंग बैग्स रखिए, थर्मल लेयर्स रखिए, तो इट विल हेल्प यू. किस ट्रैक पे हम ये इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं? यू कैन यूज इट फॉर माउंट यूनाम, कांग्यात्से, if you're going on a self-sponsored expedition, or even if you're going for an expedition and you want your own tent, then you can go for these kind of treks. Himalayan treks, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स है, हर की दुन है, बहुत सारे ट्रैक्स है जहाँ पे आप ये टेंट आराम से यूज कर सकते हो. Or you can use it in the forest because it has a nice green color, so you can use it. Olive green, dark वाला olive green color है. And you can also use it for riverside camping, which we are going to use tomorrow. 1 tent for myself, for just for photography. And weekend camping trips के लिए, beginners के लिए, monsoon के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है. अगले महीने से monsoon शुरू हो रहे हैं. We are just praying that it starts with next month and not this month like last year. So you can use it that time. That is the thing. 15 से 20 मिनट लगते हैं टेंट लगाने के लिए, ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है. निकालने के लिए भी 15 से 20 मिनट लगता है अगर आप ज्यादा आलसी ना हो तो. बहुत सारी चीजें उसमें आपको जानकारी चाहिए, तो आई वुड बी हैप्पी टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस. if you have any questions you can just shoot your questions. Then we have another product here. This is one of the nice tactical vests that we have got from Cliff Climbers. If you are interested in buying these, live आहे ते website ला? नाही ना? So these are not yet live on the website because we just got it yesterday in stock. So you can ask for these and we would be happy to give you the information and live photographs and videos. Then we have launched our own product, which is, we have got a lot of requests for 5-finger rappelling gloves. So this is a glove with our branding here that we have launched, a 5-finger rappelling glove. So this is available from extra small size to XL. So extra small, small, medium, large and XL size that we have. And right now we have only made it in red color. We can make it in blue color. And if you need it customized with your branding here, you can get in touch with us and we would be happy to help you, all the adventure activity people, all the rappelling guys, adventure park guys. आप हमें contact कीजिए and we would be happy to help you with these. And then we have these are back in stock after 3 years, these whistles. This is a 7-in-1 whistle and this is a 5-in-1 whistle. इसके बारे में ज्यादा जानकारी चाहिए तो आपको हमारी वेबसाइट पे जाना पड़ेगा. Oh yes, I forgot something important. बहुत सारे लोगों को when we are like little extra weight or when we are like little skin, थोड़ा सा फैट बढ़ जाता है हमें, ऐसा बोलेंगे. तो these are like anti-chafing sleeves which you can wear it in your thigh areas where the skin chafing happens and because of which there is a lot of irritation. तो ये हमने नया लॉन्च किया है और इसको हमने एक फीचर दिया है अंदर से. We had lot of R&Ds on this and so this sticks to your skin. The fabric is really lightweight. If you see, it's nothing. It's like maybe 15-20 grams. I don't know the exact weight right now. I'll have to check the product description. So these are priced at $7.99 each, a pair, not each, but a pair, and they are live on our website. So you can buy these. This is very helpful during your treks. बहुत सारे लोग जब treks करते हैं, tights पहनते हैं, तो skin जब rub होती है thighs area में, तो उससे बहुत सारे rashes होते हैं and it's unbearable pain after 2 hours or 3 hours of walk. Trust you me guys, in one of the trek expeditions, I have experienced that myself. And that is when we decided that why don't we launch these products so that I pay such a heavy amount to go in the mountains and then I'm crying because of that. Then you have to have this product. So that is one. And then we have these powerful LEDs. This is again proudly made in Bharat, make in India product. Vanarakshak torches. Then we have Vanarakshak binoculars. We have monoculars. No, we don't have monoculars. We have IR cameras, we have trap cameras, we have range finders. So live है कहते हैं अपने वेबसाइट पर वनरक्षक के प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं ना. So अभी तक हमने लाइव नहीं किए हैं, तो आपको इसका अगर कैटलॉग चाहिए तो हमें DM कीजिए and we will be happy to send you the information. So that is all that we have for today. If you need any other information related to this, let us know and we would be happy to answer your calls for the next 2 minutes. 2 minutes ठीक है ना? Questions कोणाचे असतील तर. And after that we would be going off. So guys, follow us on Instagram if you need product updates. If you need product information and you want to buy, go to stepinadventure.com. If you need more lives like this, which we have reduced now, maybe we'll reduce the lives to 6 a year, not more. And you can let us know on which topic or which products do you want us to cover, and we would be happy to cover those products on our live sessions. So I'll wait for a minute. If I have any questions, I'll answer. If not, I will go off the cameras. और अगर आपको और भी कुछ चीजें देखनी है, oh, there is this shoe also. I forgot about this model. Then we have this also, this color which is, मैं तो इसको मोरपंख का कलर बोलती हूँ. इसको इंग्लिश में कौन सा कलर बोलते हैं मुझे नहीं पता, genuinely नहीं पता. And then we also have this new model in CTR which is RUP 600, which they are promoting as waterproof, but it is not waterproof. It is water repellent product. So these are the new products that we have here. बाकी सारे तो पुराने हैं. RUP 600 में ये भी कलर है अभी अवेलेबल. I think it's time for me to go off because I'm not getting any questions. I guess I have given all the. Is this available in size 10? Yes, it is available in size 10 and size 11 as well. Can this tent handle heavy rains? सह्याद्री वाले रेंज yes ये heavy handle कर सकता है, कोई problem नहीं है. The 2% tent, it also has 4% tent. 4% अभी stock में नहीं है, लेकिन 2% आप ले सकते हो. We have given that on stock, on offer, not on stock. Any other questions? If no, guys, I will be going off the track. करूँ off? Thank you very much, everyone. Have a nice week ahead. Namalvi, Namaskaram, and gratitude.